want something I can't turn away from. I want a love that's only mine. If I had, then maybe we wouldn't have to compare ourselves. I keep wanting reasons for everything, feeling like I'm the only one left on lonely nights like this. What am I supposed to lean on? It feels so bitter, just empty inside. I don't wanna be hated, but I still wanna love who I am. Darling, swim while holding on to my back. The ocean of unforgivable days is so deep. I wanted to be someone's plus one, so don't leave me alone. I might misunderstand everything I want something I can believe in. I want a bond that won't come undone. If I had, then maybe we wouldn't grow tired of each other. Is it okay if I cherish this? On nights when my brave front falls apart, I curl up, making myself small. It feels so bitter. It feels so bitter, just empty inside. Even though this was the path I chose, sometimes I still look back. Darling, live inside my arms. People who are unbearably sad are so fragile. I wanted to be someone's plus one, so don't leave me alone. I end up clinging too much. This limited world is driving me insane, and this time keeps crushing me down. This limited world is driving me insane. Endless time keeps crushing me down. Just because I'm the same as everyone else doesn't mean my pain gets any lighter. Darling, please listen to me. I can't cross that ocean of unforgivable days, but hey, is it okay if I can be a plus? Oh, I can't be